We have been enjoying gifting week all this week on Your Morning, and today we're in the Your Morning kitchen to show you some delicious edible gifts, all approved by Mary Berg. You missed it earlier in the day. I said it's been feeling so gray and cloudy, but you're like a ray of sunshine. I feel as good as if I've had vitamin D when I'm with you, Mary.
Oh my goodness, that is the night that you don't have to get me anything for Christmas because that was it. Yeah.
But you are giving gifts at Christmas time. I find personally that homemade gifts, especially baking or something someone's made themselves, is a really special touch.
It totally is, and it's like the perfect thing to do if you're going over to someone's house for dinner or for anything, just for like a little hostess gift.
Somebody brought me a pie at a party recently, and someone brought me bread they'd made, and I loved it. It was a great gift.
That friend is a friend you keep forever.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And now I feel bad for not making bread, but
you've got a lot of other things.
We do have a lot of other things, and they're all super simple, because that's the thing. You don't want to you want it to look, just like most of my recipes, I want it to look way more impressive than it actually is.
But tastes good.
Tastes amazing. Like, taste should be out of control. So the first thing we have are these candied nuts, which are so super simple. Basically, they are spiced and candied. So they're a little bit sweet, a little bit spicy.
Oh, that's what I like.
There's a bit of cayenne, some curry powder, and some cumin.
Oh, these are good.
And you just bake them. You don't even have to worry about caramelizing the sugar. You mix everything all together in a bowl, put it on a sheet pan, bake it in the oven until they're crispy. It's so easy.
These are good. They're hard to give away because you just want to eat it
yourself.
yourself.
I know. This is like you make it the night before so you don't eat them all.
Speaking of good hostess gifts, this would be lovely to bring to someone's house.
This is literally my go-to. So this is just like a cheese board, because to be totally honest, I like cheese, and if I'm going to a party, there better be a cheese board. So this is me making sure there's a cheese board, which I know sounds selfish, but basically what I like to do is I get a little cheapy cheese board from any store. You can usually buy them in bulk at different bulk stores. And then I just put on any type of cheese. Now here we've got a Manchego and a cheddar, and they're red and green for the holidays. Yeah. And then on there, I wanted a little bit of a homemade touch. So I've got some strawberry thyme freezer jam, which is so easy. It's literally just putting strawberries and thyme and a bit of sugar in a pot with some lemon juice. You cook that down, and then you just store it in the freezer. You can make this in the summertime when you have a ton. Take them out, pop it on a cheese board, and you're good to go.
That's very cute.
And then we can even do
a little bit of
the nuts.
Yes, very nice, Mary.
If you want to really go for it.
Really tasty.
Aren't they good?
Yeah.
I love, and they're great on a salad too.
Oh.
Like you throw that on a salad, but then you just wrap it up, tie it with a cute bow.
Very nice.
And you've got the perfect gift.
Really impressive.
Yeah.
As is this, speaking of colorful.
Oh, yeah. So this is wonderful. I am very, very excited about this. No worries. This is chocolate bark. So chocolate bark is amazing because it's kind of like you made a homemade chocolate bar, but instead of using fancy pants actual chocolate and working on tempering it, which takes a lot of science and a lot of thermometers, I just use chocolate chips. Chocolate chips have a compound in them. That's why they don't melt when you make chocolate chip cookies. That's why they keep that little shape they have. So when you use that for chocolate bark, it's perfect because it keeps its shape, and you just melt it down until it's creamy, spread it out. I've drizzled a little bit of white chocolate on here too.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
And then I put on adult type of toppings.
Dried fruit and things.
Yeah, I know it's maybe boring, but I love dried cherries and pretzels because I like that salty,
It's like
sweet.
candied ginger or something.
Oh yeah, candied ginger. There's some candied orange peel, some pistachios, basically everything. And then you can just pop it, either put it out like this for your guests.
And it's so pretty.
It's so pretty, right?
And you were saying there's a kid-friendly, no, you can't put that in.
No, I know, sorry.
There's a kid-friendly version of this.
Yeah, you can do this if you want to do white chocolate and use those chocolate sandwich cookies. Crumble those on top, maybe some candy canes. Oh my gosh, marshmallows. Anne-Marie.
That's really good.
Yes, I love it.
These are grown-up treats right now.
Yeah.
So what are you making here?
So
because this on its own is quite fine.
It's quite fine. Would you do the honors of opening it?
Oh, do I get to?
Yes, you do.
Everyone in the studio is worried.
Oh, I know. No, we did this last year, and I think
no, I'm very good at this.
You are.
Whether it's from experience or.
Yes. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm sweaty now.
Actually thought
it came down.
Okay,
I know. Okay, we good. So this is just an easy peasy cocktail, and this is some simple syrup. And simple syrup is
Was I supposed to add that first?
Yeah, you do whatever.
Super excited.
I know. We know where your mind's at, Anne-Marie. It's almost the end of your day. So basically, I've got here some cassis, which is delish. It's just a currant liqueur. You okay? Do you want some? Okay. And then I have some simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water, and I flavored this with vanilla bean. So it's just a good flavoring. It's perfect for cocktails. It's perfect for baking, and you can do it with anything. If you want, you could do one with, here, I think you need a cocktail.
I do.
You have a sip.
Thank you.
But you can do, and you can do it with...
how festive.
Right?
How pretty.
With a little bit of thyme in there. You could do this with some thyme. You could do this with orange peel and clove for really, really
nice.
flavory kind of holiday flavor. So good. Yeah, you keep going. Now it's
Let's get to the
breakfast
pancakes.
time.
Oh, that's really nice, Mary. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, pancakes and hot chocolate. We don't have a ton of time.
Okay, perfect. So pancakes, this is just pancake mix, and these are like holiday flavored pancakes. We've got clove, nutmeg, cinnamon, and then all you need to do is make that mix up, put a little tag on that says how to make them.
Oh, nice.
Right? And
I'm
then
taking
you've
a
got
shot, sorry.
molasses in there, and then we can do a little bit of syrup on there too.
I love how you put it in a little jar.
I
So
know.
cute. And then finally, some really warm hot chocolate.
Oh yeah, hot chocolate, which this has actual grated chocolate in the hot chocolate mix. This is one of those things that I feel like people don't know you can make. So good. It's delicious, it's so easy and wonderful, and then you just top it with marshmallows.
So that's grated chocolate in here?
Grated chocolate, we've got malted milk powder, some sugar, some cocoa. It's really nice and it's not too sweet.
Homemade, like gourmet hot chocolate.
Homemade gourmet hot chocolate. Put some Irish cream in there. Get out of
Good
town.
to go. I'm gonna wait till the beauty shot. Now I'm gonna try.
Okay, there you go. It's perfect. Oops! You didn't get any on you. It's a Christmas miracle. That was very good. And then the last thing we have is just a little bit of Italian seasoning, which is so easy to make. And you can put it in pasta sauce and it's delish. Anne-Marie.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here, Mary.
I think I'm going in
All
for
right,
one
all
too.
of these recipes are on our website, yourmorning.ca, and we have the latest in tech toys coming up.
Tech toys?
Tomorrow, yes, cheers.
Holy, whoa.